guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we are playing Subway Surfers Part 1. So put in the comments if I should do this into a series, and yeah. So let's go. I know how to play, god damn it. I know how to play. Oh my god. I know how to play. Really? I know how to play. Double tap. Yeah, got a hoverboard. Oh yeah. Hoverboards are a waste of time. But who cares? Yay, finally some coins. I was wondering when I was going to get some coins. Right now we're in Amsterdam. Lego. I'm currently under my covers in my house. Alright. Boop, 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 boop. Oh god. That's not good, is it? Right, so this video is probably going to be like 2 minutes long. I don't care. No, I don't want to connect to Facebook for a dino. I wish I could though. So in 30 seconds this video will end, or 20 seconds. Whatever, I don't care. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Sorry about the recording thing. It's just the app I'm using. It just shows like the record thing. So once I die, it'll be the end of the video. Sadly, it's only 2 goes. It's just that they're being so long. Well, not so long. It's just that they're being quite long. Anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And bye!